Hello, see you again. This video will explain about AHK's keys and their mysterious symbols. Don't forget to press the like and subscribe button, thank you. You might be wondering, how the crud am I supposed to know that caret symbol means control? Well, good question. To help you learn what caret symbol and other symbols mean, gaze upon the chart C table beside. In AHK, hash symbol is used for Windows logo key. Exclamation mark is used for Alt. Caret symbol is used for control. Plus symbol is used for shift. And symbol means an ampersand may be used between any two keys or mouse buttons to combine them into a custom hotkey. For example, in the first command, if you press Ctrl A message will appear. You pressed Ctrl A. On the second command, if you press the Alt key, a message will appear. You pressed Alt A. Additionally, for a list of all most hotkey names that can be used on the left side of the hotkeys ::, you can define a custom combination of two and only two keys except joystick buttons by using in between them. In the example, you would hold down numpad 0, then press numpad 1 or numpad 2 to trigger one of the hotkeys. But you are now wondering if hotstrings have any cool modifiers since hotkeys do. Yes, they do. Hotstring modifiers go between the first set of colons. For example, like a script on the blackboard. Sit back, let's watch a demo using AHK. Okay, I hope that this video can be useful. Thank you for watching. See you later.